got the juice, I got the sauce. I got the juice, I got the sauce. You can hold that L, ain't taking no loud.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. You already don't know what this is. Jalen, aka Lick My Fashion, and we are back with another video. Gang, 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 gang. Hi Bessie, what's up? So we are shopping today. Well, this is actually her day because her birthday is coming up in a few and we're getting her some looks. Listen, yeah guys, I'm styling my Bessie. Like, I'm styling her. It's about to be graduation, so get excited. Get excited. Get excited.
Okay.
Okay. And then I seen this shirt, guys. Oh my gosh.
No, we have to get it.
Like, should I get it? Do you like it?
Definitely.
Do you like it? Okay guys, so this is what the shirt looks like on me. I think I'm gonna get it. Yes, it is very, very wrinkled right now, but guys, I looked at it in H&M like a while ago and I was like, yo, like, I think I'm gonna get it because, yo, yeah, I think I like this. Guys, don't mind the fit today. My hair is a mess. Everything's a mess right now, but like, bruh, I seen it the other day and I'm like, oh, I should buy it, but then I'm not sure because I'm on this like saving tip now, but honestly, you deserve to treat yourself.
I think you should get it.
I should get it?
Like, I almost climbed over things to touch on the mannequin. So I definitely.
So you think I should get this?
Definitely
think I should get this. Okay, comment below. Do you guys like this? Honestly, I'm getting it. No, I'm getting it. No, I'm getting it because
I already know.
No, because it looks good. Looks great. Look.
Just throw a garbage bag in there.
Okay. Hate you. Okay, guys, so we're shopping for my best friend right now. How do you feel about it? You see, look, you don't like it.
I like it.
I like it. It's nice. No, it looks good though. I thought because the shorts would have been a different vibe, but I like it though.
I'm tiny.
And big up yourself. Big up the tiny whole crab body ray. Okay, guys, so this is look 2. This is nice. Yeah. Are you dumb? Yo, nah. You see how you could take like an outfit and change it?
Yeah.
It looks good, to be honest.
This looks very nice.
How? You do? How do you not look like you're going to the club? I like that outfit, period. Period. This right here, it looks good. Listen, when you, okay, that's dumb, no. Take it, no. I think I like the yellow better. Oh no. I like them both. Okay. So we got your looks?
Yes.
We got your looks?
Yes.
Yes. Are you apt?
Yes.
Are you apt?
You know, I wasn't sure, but you know when your best friend is
Yo, honestly. And she wasn't excited for her birthday. Like, come on. Like, how am I, the bestie, excited for her birthday and she's not excited? Like, I don't get it. Your birthday's around the corner.
Like, actually, like, are you dumb? I'm not like
dumb?
he's about to be 21 plus tax.
Good shopping today. So I got some stuff today. I got like a nice shirt and I got some fanny packs. And then you got your looks today.
Yes.
So yeah, so you demo know I'm gonna be vlogging everything for this trip. I'm excited for my trip. You know, I've never been there.
It's fun.
I've never been. You've been there?
It's fun. One time.
Yo, I'm honestly
Fun
amped. No, they're not ready still. They're not ready for the gang. They're not ready for the squad. Are you the gang? Screw them!
See what I've been going through, 'cause I wanna be with you, baby. Don't you wanna be with me?
What's going on, guys? You know what time it is. Look like I should back in the cut. Gang, 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 gang. So I am on my way to Montreal right now, and we lit. Hi, Simi. Hi. So Simi's one of the people I will be staying with in the hotel with us. We lit.
I've been packing for 4 weeks now.
You see what's happening, guys? Literally early in the morning. You know, Watton Gala. Yeah. Yo, who's this? Okay. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Love it. Hey. Hey. Hey.
I know you're really not about to put me on this YouTube.
Came on, honestly, I
And I don't think so.
Listen, no pimple, no nothing. Just straight clear face.
Get it out.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Tom Cruise. Hey. Tom Cruise. Tom, are you done? Alright guys, so we're finally on the bus heading to Montreal. Gang, 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 gang. Shy Guys in the car. You already don't know what it is. It's a Windsor. But I haven't seen it in so long.
I know. Link up, link
No,
up.
it's supposed to be lit this weekend.
Who we celebrating?
Who we celebrating this weekend?
Who celebrating?
Who's celebrating this weekend?
First of all, the lighting is over here, so you're gonna have to come.
I don't care what the lighting is. Honestly, you ruined the moment. You ruined the moment.
Are you
Are
dumb? Are you dumb? Even with my tie, I can still take a girl man. Right? I'm sweet. Look at my sister. She's sweet too. Look at her. Look. Come here.
So you're a vlogger. Okay, you're a vlogger.
You know those ones when like it's only like a one sweet person in the family and like everybody's like the paper shop? Yeah, you know? And then it's like there's always that one person that's like clay and everybody else is Play-Doh.
Yeah.
But like my whole family's sweet. You know those ones?
Honestly, she said clay and Play-Doh. Honestly.
But like you know those
Do you
ones?
see the melanin?
Mine, a lie?
No, mine. You're light skin. I'm over it.
I
better cause it's my birthday. Ready? I got bags in the coop. Whoa, touch me not the roof. I got bags in the coop. Touch me now, shoot. Bow, shake it up, shake it. Jeez, shake it, shake it. Walking past the mirror. Damn, I'm fine. Little
okay.
hammer time. Like that, it's a snack.
She said it's an entree.
I look
Pretty ass lips. You look like Beyonce.
Look at money bag, money bag, money bag. Ooh, money bag, money bag, money bag. Money bag, money bag, money bag. Money bag, money bag, money bag. From the front, I got a tell my person, okay. Money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag. Money bag, money bag, money bag. Money bag, okay, let's see you guys. You in the back, okay? Alright, see you.
No, you gotta snack while you at.
She wants to come down the road.
Yeah, why not?
But if we don't get it, well, how would you pay her? Yeah, but if we don't get beat.
Honestly, fam, this
Are you recording?
guys,
Too much.
too much. This is probably the most littiest bus I've ever been on. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Are you down? Go. Hey. Hey. Beer vibes. Jeez. Whoa, we don't have no behavior. Hold on. Alright, take your time now. Take your time. 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 Take it. I want to see that. Five. Jeez. Mister, mash it up. Mash it up. Hey. Now the bus is quiet.
That's true though. But I have to like.
Bus is
You
quiet.
have to move and have fun.
Sorry.
I've been stressing this whole damn week for this trip.
I try so hard to like.
It's okay. Hello, how are you? See you on the vlog now. Do you care? No? I always have to
It's me,
Yeah.
Gucci.
Is that honestly, fam? What else do you have in that bag? Because honestly, no, I need to know.
So I.
Yeah. Okay, got you.
Okay.
Mhm.
The soft version.
Okay, got you.
Okay.
Yep. Those are my favorite trips, and I'm gonna definitely take some. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Our little secret. Yeah.
Okay. And then there's water.
the water.
Yeah.
And then my Fenty.
She came with everything. Yo, fam! Yo, fam! Yo! Too much vibes! I'm stressed, like, we're not even there yet. Okay, we're not even there yet. And this is us squatting, bare vibes. Oh!
We're not even a couple of hours away. Like,
Fam, we're not even there yet. We're not there yet. And this is what it's looking like. Real talks. You guys guys see this? Bro. Like, bro. Okay. 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 You know what? This is what we're not gonna do tonight. Hot mess. Hot mess. No, isn't it hot mess? Hot mess. Kim is just in the corner, just chilling. Yeah, well.
Stubborn dog, stubborn.
Yeah, yeah.
It's right away, slide.
Yeah, a lot is happening. You guys see this? You know, I just this was a child of God. This was a child of God.
He lied. Trust me. He was doing a whole bunch of shit while he's only got the camera on now. He's lying. Trust me. He's lying. He's lying. He's lying. I'm going to church tomorrow morning. I am going to church tomorrow morning.
I ain't going out with them tonight. Go straight to church.
Straight to church. 9 a.m. service.
9 a.m. service.
I'm going Bible school.
Okay. All right.
Only because they have a bunch of sins in the past tomorrow.
Yeah. Look at Shy. Yo. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Listen. What? Like, I told ya. What's happening? No. You got it. Listen, yeah. Even.
DJ Smarty, let's give them something essential.
Watcha. Hey, watcha.
That one is called one jaw. Position it, you can see one jaw that one.
You see you? Yo, madness. Which one are you doing good over there? Yeah? Whose birthday we gonna be? Mine! Turn up! Hey!
Oh gosh,
Tim, you're killing me right now.
oh gosh.
Give round one. Yo, listen. Mind your bracket, man. Mind your bracket. Yay, what? Take time. Yeah. What? Yeah. Come on. Yeah. You know what? Yeah. You see her? But tight on her. You see you? Hey. Okay. All right. Yo. Honestly, like I guess. Yo, this is a lot. I can't do this. That's what we're doing today.
I love it when you whine on it. I love it when you cry for it. I love it when you tell your girlfriends that a young nigga beg for it. Girl, I lie. Girl, I lie.